Hello, U.S. Siding and Construction. This is Joel from JND SEO. I'm going to show you 3 ways to beat your competition online. I don't want to waste your time and I don't want to waste mine, so I'll try to be as quick as possible. And at the end of this, if it's something you want to hear more information about, then definitely reach out and we can set up a time to talk some more. If not, feel free to take these 3 tips and strategies that I give you today and you can apply them to your site yourself. All right, so the first thing we'll talk about today is content. So as you can see, I'm on your home page for your website. And content is just all of the words, and it does include the pictures also on your page. So we typically recommend having about 1,500 words of content on your home page. So you guys probably have maybe a few hundred here. So I would recommend putting some more content on there. And the reason for having that much content is the more content you have, the more keywords you can put in the content. And the keywords are what help you to get found when somebody searches online on Google, for instance. So the other thing you can do is if I go to save one of your images, I can see what you saved it as. So this one is just saved as the number and letters, probably what the picture was originally saved as. And for this, you really could save it as your company name or a keyword, which would help you to be found as well. It's a way to kind of put another keyword in there. The next thing I'll talk about is citation. So if I do a typical search, roofing Framingham MA, and I know that you guys work in all of Massachusetts, but I'm just going to do Framingham for this example. And at the first, you see all of the ads come up. So ads are a little bit hit or miss though. A lot of people have ad blockers, so those may not even come up. Also, a lot of people just refuse to click on ads also. So ads are a little hit or miss and they can be expensive. After the ads, you see the Google map, and the top 3 results for citations are what you kind of see in the preview. And you can view all and keep going, but the top 3 are what shows up on the page. And citations are anywhere on the internet where your business name, business address, and business phone number are listed. And these are typically listed on a directory site. So these directory sites are ones like Yellow Pages, Yelp, Home Advisor. Those are all directories. And not all directories are the same also. If it's a citation with a related field, so something to do with roofing or construction, for instance, it's going to be much more valuable than something completely unrelated like car mechanics. You know, it has to be related to your field. That's going to be stronger for you, and it's going to get you higher up on the map here. So that's citations. And the next thing we'll talk about is backlinks. So if we go below the map, then you'll start to see the actual companies and websites showing up. So we do have Yelp, which is the directory first. Then number 2, we have Watertight Co. Then we have another directory, Home Advisor. And then we have Olin Roofing as well. All right, so what I want to do is I'm going to take your website and put it in this program we call Ahrefs. And what that does is it kind of allows me to look at your page and see what's going on. So, right, if you think of the internet as a popularity contest, you know, the more votes you have, the more popular you are. And those votes are they happen by websites giving you a link back to your page. Essentially, it's a vote for your page. So right now you have 54 referring domains. So 54 domains or websites that are giving you 127 links back to your page. And those are generating 532 keyword searches. And right now you're getting about 37 visitors to your site per month. So I can actually click these keywords and get a look at what you're currently being found for. So right here, number 1, look at this, roofing Framingham MA. So this is what I put into our Google search. And the reason I did that was because I know it has a good amount of volume. 150 people per month are searching roofing Framingham MA. And you guys currently are ranked number 11. So that's going to put you at the top of the second page. Now, ideally, you want to be on the top of the first page. I would say in the top 3, ideally. And because people that are doing a search, if they don't know your company name and they're just looking for a company in Framingham, for instance, they're going to probably look at the top 3 results that come up, and they're not going to just keep scrolling and scrolling and go to the second page and whatnot. So you really want to get on that first page in the top 3. So this one here, Shingle Master. The volume on that is 150, so you may think that's a good one. However, this one is not specific to a certain location. So this is going to be a national search word. So that means you're going to get people from all over the US, not just Massachusetts. So it's not as valuable as one that has, say, Framingham or even just MA in it. So at least it's Massachusetts where you guys work. And so ideally you want to be in the top 3. So some other ones, Roofing Concord. You guys are number 10, so you're probably at the very bottom of the first page. And just the more towns that you guys cover, because since you do all of Mass, you know, that's going to bring in more traffic to your site. And just to give you kind of a comparison, I have Watertight over here, and I put them into Ahrefs as well, and they have 111 referring domains, bringing back 910 backlinks, and they are being searched for 279 keywords. And they're averaging about 72 visitors to their site every month. So if we look at their keywords quickly here, you'll see Roofing Framingham MA, the same that's on yours as number 1. But however, they are the second position, so they are right behind Yelp. They also have Watertight Natick, their name. It's important to have your name, but they do have a location, which makes it even stronger, and they are number 1. So you should be number 1 for your own name, ideally. Then you have a variation, Roofing Contractor Framingham MA, with contractor in it, and they are number 5 for that. And Roofers Framingham MA, which has another 40 people, and they are number 4 for that. So you want to have every combination ideally. The more keywords you can be ranked high for, the more traffic you're going to bring to your site and the more customers. All right, so that's all I'll talk about today for content, backlinks, and citations. I hope you found what I showed you today interesting, and maybe I taught you a few things. And here's my information if you're interested in hearing more. So thanks again for watching this video today, guys. And you know, if you're interested in hearing more, definitely reach out. If not, definitely apply these to your site on your own. Thank you very much.